And here is the issue, guys. In the midfield, we have Caicedo, who is untouchable. We have Caicedo in the midfield. We have Enzo Fernandez in the midfield. Can he bench Enzo? We have Lavia, if he may come back. Can he bench Lavia? We have Kiernan. Can he bench Kiernan to get the playing time? Play to show that indeed you deserve the playing time. Show to the manager, show to the world, show to the fans that indeed you deserve that playing time you wanted. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, today is a match day. I'm here to give you this latest information from Chelsea camp. Yes, that, guys, Andrey Santos will play for Chelsea in the FIFA Club Tournament. Santos will participate in the FIFA Club Tournament. And after that, he then stay with Chelsea, join the first team, yes, for the remaining of the upcoming season, Andrey Santos. But he is coming with conditions. Andrey Santos want to join Chelsea next season with conditions, guys. Santos said that he is not coming to Chelsea next season to be on the bench. That he is not coming to Chelsea next season to be on the bench. He is coming to play. So if Chelsea will guarantee him playing time, he will be with Chelsea his entire career. But if he come and see that he is not getting the playing time that he wants, yes, he is not seeing his development, he is not seeing his improvement, he may leave or he may go because, as I said, so many teams already interested to sign him. Yes. So, guys, now, this brought argument among Chelsea fans. Yes. Some Chelsea fans are saying that, indeed, he need to play. Indeed, he need to get the playing time. And here is the issue, guys. In the midfield, we have Caicedo, who is untouchable. We have Caicedo in the midfield. We have Enzo Fernandez in the midfield. Can he bench Enzo? We have Lavia, if he may come back. Can he bench Lavia? We have Kiernan. Can he bench Kiernan to get the playing time? So let's look at this, our current midfielders, one after the other. Among them, who can Santos bench? Or who can Santos put aside to get the playing time that he wants? Or should Chelsea sell any of these players, be it Santos or Enzo Fernandez or Lavia or Kiernan or Caicedo, to pave a way for Santos? Guys, let's start with Enzo. In fact, can Santos bench Enzo, guys, to get the playing time next season? Because Santos said he must get the playing time. He is not coming to Chelsea to be on the bench, as I said. Can he bench Enzo? Because, guys, some fans are saying that Chelsea should sell Enzo. I'm telling you. Some fans are saying, I don't know your opinion also, but some are saying that, for that matter, Chelsea should sell Enzo Fernandez. And my opinion on this, Enzo, he is a good baller. See, talented. That is what Chelsea saw and paid that exorbitant fee and signed him. Yes, we saw him at the World Cup. Even some days all the days in Argentina, Enzo normal perform. He give them good. He score goals there. But when he come to Chelsea, that is the issue, and that is the problem. When Enzo come to Chelsea, as if we bought different Enzo from Argentina Enzo. We are seeing total different. To be honest, Enzo is not playing to expectation in Chelsea. We know he is talented. We know Enzo is a good footballer. But Chale is aren't enough. Being talented on the brain, on the legs aren't enough as a footballer. You have to show it. You have to show action. So, guys, for that matter, some fans are saying that, okay, since we are not seeing the best of Enzo, Chelsea should let him go and bring Santos to that position, yes, to his position, for Santos to get playing time next year. Because he is still young, 24 years of age, yes. So for me, I would think, let's wait and see. Let's give him another 2 seasons to come to see whether Enzo will improve in Chelsea shirt or not. But for Chelsea selling him now, it will be difficult. By the way, guys, for me, that is my opinion, my analysis on Enzo. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea let Enzo go? And let's move to the next midfielder, Romeo Lavia. But before we go there, guys, please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and do what? Hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please, smash the like button and smash the subscription button. Let's come to Lavia. Can Santos replace Lavia? Guys, can Santos bench Lavia to get the playing time? For Lavia, we will not even talk about benching or replace. Lavia is not available. As we all knew that Lavia is a sickler. Yes, whether Lavia is available or is not, just we move on. I'm telling you. By the way, Lavia, he is a good player. 21, still young. Charlie, when I'm looking at this our squad, it look attractive, but just that the competition is not there. If we can compete like Barcelona using their young team competing, no problem. We are good to go. But the issue is that all these kind of fine players with that competition, even Chelsea this season, we are trying to get top form. That is the issue with young players. So guys, can Santos bench Lavia to get the playing time next season? Well, if Lavia is fully fit, can Santos bench him? Guys, in fact, Lavia, he is good. When Lavia is in our midfield, we can feel it. We can see his presence. I can still remember during the preseason, he was one of our best players. When he returned from the long injury, yes, and even under Mauricio Pochettino, he played some good football. Maresca, during the preseason, he played good football. So fully fit Lavia, Charlie, it will be difficult for Santos to bench him. For me, I think if Lavia is fit, he's going to give us good performance. 100, see, insane, marvel. The guy is good. See, Lavia, he is like Rodri nature. You will not see him being aggressive, but he can read the opponent. He can read other midfielders, cut passing lanes, yes, block shots, yes, go in for tackling. So fully fit Lavia, he is good. He is good. And it will be very, very difficult for Santos to bench him. By the way, football is football. You never know. Yes, sometimes it doesn't matter. Yes, it doesn't matter. And even sometimes the number of games you play doesn't matter. Someone will just come, poop, one season, he pick it and go. So guys, for Lavia, should Chelsea sell him to give a space for Santos to play next season? Or can Santos bench Lavia? Guys, let me hear from you, your opinion, your thought about Lavia also. And let's come to Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall. Maresca's son, first son. Maresca is not joking with him because he signed him. Recently, I don't understand modern managers. If a modern manager signs a player, no matter how the situation, that player is good. Even if that player is not on form, he is on form because he just signed him. He wants to prove to the world that he didn't do a wrong signing or make a wrong signing. No. He's trying to show it, giving Kiernan some playing time. He can't play. Yes, giving him some chances he doesn't deserve. So guys, let's come to Kiernan. Guys, should Chelsea sell Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall or Santos can bench him next season? Yes, because Kiernan at Leicester, he was good, super. When Chelsea was signing this player, I was happy because of his performance at Leicester City. Their championship, yes, bringing them into the Premier League. Yes, they qualify comfortably with Enzo Maresca. So, looking at his performance at Leicester City last season, he was good. But when he came to Chelsea, joined Chelsea, we saw different Kiernan. Everything just turned upside down. Disaster. So, guys, for Kiernan, I see, for me, maybe 50-50. Yes, some games Santos will play, some games Kiernan will play. Even if Santos play and deliver more than Kiernan, or if Kiernan also play and deliver more than Santos, yes, Kiernan should go ahead and play. So guys, Lavia, Enzo Fernandez, Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall, or Moises Caicedo. And for Caicedo, they are not talk. He is untouchable. In fact, Caicedo can start for any team in this world. Real Madrid, Barcelona. If Caicedo go to any team, he's starting first 11. So no way. No way. I don't want to even hear the word bench when we come to Caicedo or sell when we come to Caicedo. So I will not even talk about Caicedo, whether Santos is benching him or what. In fact, Santos should rather learn from Caicedo. Santos should watch Caicedo videos. Yes, I'm telling you. And let's come to Santos as a player joining Chelsea next season. In fact, recently I don't understand young players. Young players are no more patient. Or let me say, players are no more patient. Immediately he didn't get the first chance, or immediately he didn't get playing time in the first season, is done and dusted. He will not wait. He will not be patient, yes, waiting for his time. Santos, we know you are good. We know you are playing well as Strasbourg this season. We know, yes, you are a fantastic player. Even your days at Chelsea, some games you play during the preseason, you deliver. But Charlie, it's not guaranteed that you perform as Strasbourg means that when you are coming to Chelsea, you are coming to be like N'Golo Kante. I'm hoping you come and be like N'Golo, but it's not guaranteed. That is football. So for me, I would think Santos should be patient and come and prove to the manager, prove to the fans that he really deserves to play 90 minutes. He really deserves to play Premier League games. Not forcing your way out to play like João Felix. Play to show that indeed you deserve the playing time. Show to the manager, show to the world, show to the fans that indeed you deserve that playing time you wanted. But not come and be pushing, or even you haven't come, you haven't joined, you are pushing that you want playing time. If not that, you go, you ask for transfer request. Yes, so for me, I think Santos should be patient. He should come and rather improve, deliver, yes, to deserve that playing time. So guys, that is my opinion on this. Chelsea to give Santos the playing time, or Santos may leave, or Santos may go to other team where he will see his development, where he can grow as a player. Yes. So let me hear from you under the comment section what we discuss in this video. Lavia, Enzo Fernandez selling, Kiernan selling, Moises Caicedo, and Santos himself, guys. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief, the motivation. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief, the motivation to give you more video. Take care, peace.